It can be pretty exhausting looking into performance exhausts. See what I did there? What's the difference? How loud is it? Is it all for looks, or will it help your performance? In today's video, we're going to break it all down and let you know how each exhaust system adds up. We will run a series of tests measuring changes in acceleration, top speed, and loudness. We're Bikeberry, and this is the ultimate exhaust guide. Aftermarket exhaust parts are intended to replace the factory-fitted exhaust components of a car, motorcycle, or other motor vehicle in order to improve the performance, visual appeal, or sound of the vehicle. Generally, performance enhancements are achieved by increasing airflow or adding a tuned expansion chamber. To further explain how this impacts performance, let's go to Alan.
The way an expansion chamber works is because of the structural design. The cone design on all expansion chamber allows an increase of volumetric efficiency in a two-stroke engine's output power. What that means is that the extra room inside the cone design of an expansion chamber is connected to your piston chamber as part of the exhaust, so that when the thermodynamics that occur during combustion within your engine, any excess fuel and air that was not discharged during the downstroke can be stored in the X room inside the expansion chamber. And because the expansion chamber is designed in a cone shape, the sonic pressure that is produced during combustion is sent through the cone structure. And as the cone tapers off at the end, the sonic pressure is sent backwards, pushing the extra air and fuel that was stored within the expansion chamber back into the piston chamber to be reused in the next cycle.
So in a nutshell, the unspent air and fuel mixture that gets pushed out from combustion is pushed back in by the expansion chamber that causes a bigger explosion, causing the piston to cycle faster, and faster revolutions means a faster ride.
Our first test will be the loudness test. Sound is measured in a unit of decibels. We place a decibel meter 5 feet from our motorized bike and measured the decibels at an idle and revving the engine. The higher the number, the louder it is. Looking at our results, the stock exhaust was our quietest, while the F2 thruster was the loudest. Now that we know how loud each exhaust system is, let's see their top speed. To measure top speed, we had Aaron hop on a bike and give it full throttle while passing Shane with a speedometer in hand. The stock, street poo-poo, and performance speed demon all came in on the low of 26 miles per hour, while the F2 thruster took this test again with a top speed of 29 miles per hour. Now we know how fast these bikes are, let's see how they accelerate and get to the speed. To measure acceleration, we set up a start marker and put a speedometer on the handlebars of the bike. On the go, Aaron gave the bike 2 pedals, started the engine, and went full throttle. Once he reached a speed of 20 miles per hour, he gave the signal and the timer was stopped. Looking at our results, the stock exhaust system was extremely slow. It took 11 seconds just to get to 20 miles per hour. Again, the F2 thruster went above and beyond and got up to 20 miles per hour in just 6 seconds. Now that we have all our data on our exhaust systems, we're going to rank our top 3. Coming in at 3rd place is the BBR Tuning dual-ended Torquer Up exhaust pipe muffler with a top speed of 27 miles per hour, an acceleration of 0 to 20 in 8 seconds, and a loudness of 104 decibels. 2nd place is the expansion chamber with a top speed of 28 miles per hour, acceleration in 7 seconds, and a loudness of 104 decibels. And without a doubt, 1st place goes to the BBR Tuning high performance F2 thruster exhaust muffler with a top speed of 29 miles per hour, acceleration of 6 seconds, and a loudness of 113 decibels. You'll be sure to be flying, seen, and heard. Now, if you're in the market for better performance, but not as loud, we have our top options for you. 3rd place is a Speed Demon with a loudness of 101 decibels. 2nd place is the Street Poo-Poo muffler exhaust with a loudness of 99 decibels. And 1st place is the BBR Tuning Flex Fit Poo-Poo Motocross muffler with a loudness of 99 decibels. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Leave us a comment and let us know which system you think looks best. And as always, like and subscribe. We're Bikeberry, and this has been the Ultimate Exhaust Guide.